Würth Elektronik offers WR-CIRC M12 Circular Connectors, a resilient and secure solution for harsh working conditions. Featuring an A-coating screw locking system, the series encompasses various male and female panel connectors, field attachable options, and cable assemblies. These connectors are ultra-dependable and ensure a waterproof and dustproof connection without signal loss. With IP67 or IP68 ratings, they are adaptable to challenging environments, offering polarities of 4, 5, and 8. The connectors support current ratings up to 5 amps and voltage ratings up to 250 volts. Certified with UL 2238, Würth Elektronik's WR-CIRC M12 Circular Connectors are used in industrial automation, machine manufacturing, fieldbus systems, sensors, and more. For more information on Würth Elektronik's WR-CIRC M12 Circular Connectors, visit DigiKey.com.